Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I am Vera. In this video, I will show you how to power off on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. I wanna turn off this phone. The classical way is to push long on the power button like this. But you can see this method doesn't work. And the right way to turn off this phone is to push and hold the power button and the volume down button like this. You will see that the power off menu appears, and here you can power off your phone very easy. But you also turn off your phone with the classical way is to push long on the power button like this. But you must to activate the setting first. Open your settings menu. Okay, next open advanced features, click it. Next open side button, click it, and long press, you click it, and you choose power off menu. You choose this one like this. Okay, time to result. You can power off your phone with the classical way is to push long on the power button like this. And you can power off and you can restart your phone. I try to power off like this. Click power off. Yep, successfully my phone is turned off. And if you want to power on, you can push it long on the power button like this. And your phone already turned on. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.